Hello, welcome to the ingredient channel where I post recipes and share cooking experience every week. Today, we're making Chinese brined roast chicken. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed yet, please click on the channel icon down below. It'd be great to have your support. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field under the video. Today's main ingredient is the chicken. Let's prepare for the brine. I'm gonna get some black pepper, Himalayan salt for about 3 tablespoons. And we're gonna squeeze the scallion and ginger, get some juice, and use the juice and the scallion and the ginger together to give the chicken a very, very thorough massage. The longer you massage it, the better it tastes. Keep doing it. Make sure that we touch every single corner of the chicken. And then we're going to leave the scallion and the ginger in the chicken belly. Just stuff in there for taste. Then we are going to take the brine, the salt, and the pepper and keep massaging. If you do not have Himalayan salt, then sea salt is as good. It's just, both are better than the normal salt. It has this special taste in there. And just once again, make sure that we massage every single corner of the chicken. We're going to leave it for about 3 hours so it can be thoroughly seasoned. Now you see the liquid is out. We're going to drain it. Do not season it for a longer time because it's going to be too salty. And then we're going to rinse the chicken, rinse all of the season and the spice off of the chicken, and drain it on a baking shelf for about half an hour. You will see the skin started shining. And we are going to use the kitchen twine to bundle the leg and the wings as well. This is for a beautiful shape. Just make sure that we tighten the twine string. And the wings. And then we're going to wrap the chicken inside a baking sheet. If you have a parchment paper, then wrap it around a piece of parchment paper first before you put it inside the baking sheet. I did not have it, so I skipped one step. If you use the parchment paper, it's going to protect the skin, the chicken skin, a lot better, and the color wouldn't be too dark. But I'm chasing for the taste today, so bake it in the oven under 350 degrees for about 35 minutes and 5 more minutes for color, and it's ready. Very, very tasty, I promise you. try it. So good to have you today. I hope you will check out the other videos in my channel. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.